how to grow organic vegetables at home. You don't need a farm to eat fresh, pesticide-free vegetables. With a little planning, a balcony, terrace, or sunny window can feed you year-round. Here's a clear step-by-step playbook to start an organic home garden and keep it thriving. Step 1. Pick the right spot. Choose a space that gets 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Leafy greens manage with 3 to 4. Ensure safe railing heights and easy water access. Good airflow prevents fungal issues. Avoid spots where AC exhaust blows hot air on plants. Step 2. Gather containers and tools. Use 12 to 18-inch pots, grow bags, or recycled buckets with drainage holes. Shallow trays work for microgreens. Keep a hand trowel, pruners, spray bottle, watering can, and gloves. Place saucers under pots to protect floors, but do not let water stagnate. Step 3. Build living soil, the organic secret. Mix 40% red garden soil, 40% well-decomposed compost, vermicompost, 20% aerators, coco peat plus a handful of river sand or perlite. Add a spoon of neem cake and rock phosphate per pot for slow nutrients. Moisten until it feels like a squeezed sponge. Damp, not soggy. Step 4. Choose beginner-friendly crops by season. Cool months: Octfeb, spinach, methy, lettuce, coriander, peas, radish, carrot, beetroot, cauliflower, broccoli. Warm months: Marjune, tomatoes, chillies, okra, cucumber, ridge gourd, bottle gourd, brinjal, beans, amaranth. All season: spring onions, mint, curry leaves, microgreens. Start with 3 to 4 crops to avoid overwhelm. Step 5. Sow seeds or plant seedlings correctly. Read seed depth. Tiny seeds like basil, spinach, coriander sit near surface with a light soil cover. Larger seeds, okra, beans, go 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Water gently after sowing. For seedlings, plant at the same depth they grew in the nursery tray and firm the soil lightly around roots. Step 6. Water the right way. Morning watering is best. Check soil with a finger. Water only when the top inch is dry. Deep, less frequent watering trains roots to go down. Avoid wetting leaves late in the evening. That invites fungus. Use a fine rose can or drip line for steady moisture. Step 7. Feed organically on a schedule. Every 10-14 days, top dress with a handful of compost and a light sprinkle of neem cake. Once a month, add homemade banana peel or onion peel tea, strain well, for potassium and micronutrients. For fruiting plants, add bone meal or rock phosphate sparingly. Step 8. Train, prune, and support. Stake tomatoes and cucumbers. Use strings or net trellis for climbers. Pinch side shoots on basil and mint to keep them bushy. Remove yellowing leaves and any diseased parts immediately. Do not compost infected material. Step 9. Prevent pests the organic way. Healthy plants resist pests. Keep leaves clean, avoid overwatering, and space pots so air flows. Weekly spray, 2 milliliters neem oil, plus a few drops of mild liquid soap in 1 liter of water, applied at dusk. For aphids and mites, add a blast of water on undersides. Use sticky traps near fruiting plants and introduce marigold pots to distract nematodes and attract beneficial insects. Step 10. Spot and fix common problems. Leggy, weak seedlings. Not enough light, move them to a sunnier spot. Blossom end rot on tomatoes. Irregular watering or calcium deficit. Keep moisture even and add crushed eggshell powder lightly. Powdery mildew, moist with poor airflow. Prune leaves and spray a milk water mix 1.9 weekly at sunset. Step 11. Harvest for taste and regrowth. Pick leaves early morning when crisp. Harvest outer leaves of spinach, methy so the center regrows. For herbs, cut above a leaf node to encourage 2 new shoots. Harvest cucumbers and okra young for best texture and to keep plants productive. Step 12. Keep a simple garden rhythm. Weekly, inspect, prune, add a handful of compost, and refresh mulch, dry leaves or cocoa chips to lock moisture. Monthly, repot root-bound plants and rotate pots so all sides get sun. Keep a small notebook of sowing dates and harvest notes. Safety and sustainability. Use only clean water. Wash produce well. Reuse kitchen waste wisely. Compost peels. Avoid oily cooked waste in compost. Save rainwater and clean drums if possible. and add a lid to prevent mosquitoes. Starter plan for week 1. Day 1. Set up 4 pots with soil mix. Day 2. Sow spinach, coriander, and okra. Plant 1 tomato seedling. Day 3. Mulch and label each pot. Day 5. Begin gentle neem spray routine. Day 10. Top dress with compost. Add stakes for tomato. Day 21 plus. Harvest first microgreens just coriander leaves. For step-by-step crop calendars, organic pest recipes, and balcony layout guides, visit globalinfovita.com.